Hi, my name is Jamie. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do this look right here. It takes me about 5 or 6 minutes to do this look. I have no foundation on. I just have the Colourpop No Filter Concealer because I do have some trouble areas and I need color correction in my life. It's mostly in this region of my face, a little bit on my forehead, but the whole perimeter of my face, I don't have any foundation on, just some bronzer and some kind of natural highlight. So if you like to see how I got this look, want to get a little bit glammed up and also get out the door fast, then please keep watching. I'm gonna go ahead and grab my concealer first. This is the Colourpop No Filter Concealer and in the shade Medium. I'm not gonna go ahead and put foundation everywhere today. I'm just gonna concentrate the concealer in areas where I need color correction. This area has definitely been a problem. I have like a weird dry patch right there. So when I'm just kind of trying to feel like I have better skin, this is what I've been doing lately when I go to school or anything like that. I just grab my KABUKI brush and buff that in. And I'm just trying to go ahead and even out my skin color. Next, I'm going to grab this giant brush. This is the F20 from Sigma, and I'm gonna pick up this butter bronzer from Physicians Formula. This is what it looks like. I originally thought that this shade was gonna be way too light for me. See, you can barely, also has a little thing that escapes, but you can barely see it on my hand. But it actually does a really good job of giving you a really subtle bronze, and I can build it up and make it more intense if I need to using a smaller brush. But I just want to look like I have a little bit of color because I haven't been in the sun for a very long time. I don't see the sun anymore. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pick up any brow color that fits me. I'm using a powder because it looks a little bit more natural in my brows since my brows are darker. If I put like a pomade or a pencil, they tend to look a little bit harsh. The powder is nice because I can just kind of do it quickly, buff it in, and brush it out if it gets too built up. But it makes a pretty big difference right away. So the next thing I'm going to do is grab a little bit of a highlighter. I like to use this one from Colourpop. It's a Super Shock Cheek in the color Wisp, and it's kind of a spongy feel. So it's a cream highlighter, but I like to just take my finger and tap that along the high point of my cheekbone, and also right underneath my highest point of my eyebrow. Then I just kind of work it with my hands. Since it's really soft, you can just use your fingers to apply it. Next, I'm gonna grab my personal Z palette. If you like me to do certain looks with colors in this palette, or are interested in what is in my Z palette, I'm more than happy to go over that. So I'm going to pick up a fluffy brush. This is my Sigma E25, and I'm just going to dip into these two shades, and I'm going to buff those into my crease. Next, I'm going to go ahead and grab this gold shade right here. This is Amber Lights from MAC. And I'm just gonna use my finger to pick that up, and I'm gonna pat that straight onto my lid. Next, I'm gonna pick up a little bit of Cocoa Bear. want to deposit the majority of my color right here. So that's where I'm going to first put down my brush, but then when I have a little less product, I'm gonna go ahead and drag it inwards. I'm also going to pull it outwards to try and elongate my eye. Next, I'm gonna grab some mascara. This is the False Lash from Maybelline. You know when you get to the point in your day where words are just so much harder than they need to be? I feel like I'm always there now. I think I'm gonna pick up this NYX pencil. What color is it? I don't know. These baby hairs are out of control. Right, so these are the lips with the over-the-top gloss and the beige sand lip pencil by NYX. All right, so this is the final look. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment below. I'd love to hear from you with what you would like to see in the future from me. And until next time, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.